Hi guys, so over here I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I know a lot of you has been anticipating this one. Particularly I was able to get the 12 gig RAM with 256 gig of storage space, and basically this video is going to be an unboxing and a first look of the white version of this device. So basically this is how it actually looks like. Mine, as you can see, is currently sealed with a nylon, but obviously the box is pretty much just the same as every Samsung Galaxy box that has been out before, so there is actually nothing new. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up this device. So first I'm just going to turn over to this side and then use my knife to tear it like so. So basically this is how it looks like, and to open it up you would have to peel out these seals at the top and then at the bottom. So I'm just going to just like so, and then you want to do the same thing for the bottom, just like so. So basically this is how it looks like, and trust me, this is really awesome. I think the white version is really beautiful. I've seen a lot of unboxing of other colors of this device, and trust me, this white version is really beautiful. And I'm just going to open it up from over here. So this is it. You can see it is really beautiful. So the color at the back is basically the white color, while here we just have pure aluminum or silver color, as you can see. Now on the other compartment of this device here, you can also be able to find your SIM card ejector. So I'm just going to open this up. So I have my warranty and my SIM card ejector tool over here. So here you can find the warranty paper and then your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. But basically this is pretty much all you get inside of the box of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And I'm just going to proceed to open up the screen. So you have to peel this up like so. Wow, this is really beautiful. Now I really do not know why Samsung did not make the sides of this particular version white as well, because I've actually seen unboxing of other versions and they were mostly the same color that you have at the back. That is also what you get on the sides, but this particular one we have a silver color. As you can see, this is basically just the aluminum, but then we just have the white at the back over here, and basically that is all that there is. Now you can see we have our buttons, so the buttons click very nicely, and then we have the camera bump over here. On the bottom we do have the SIM card tray. As you can see from over here, we have a microphone, a USB-C input that is for charging the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and then we also have our speaker over here. This is your pen, and you can simply bring it out by just pushing it inside and bringing it out just like so. This is also really nice. You can go ahead and push it in like so as well. At the top we actually do not have anything except for these two IR blaster over here, and I think this should be a very useful one as well. The design is quite simple and it's a little boxy, even though the ends are actually curved, as you can see from over here. And quickly I'll just go ahead and open up the SIM card tray to also see the type of SIM card and to also find out if we have an SD card slot in this particular device. So this is basically my SIM card ejector tool, and if I open it up from over here, mine is actually a double SIM card tray. So you can see we have the SIM 1 over here, and then at the bottom we do have the SIM 2, but there is no SD card slot, so we cannot expand the storage of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for this particular version, as you can see over here. That notwithstanding, this is basically the unboxing and first time look of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Over time we are definitely going to be making more videos of this device. I'll be showing you some tips and tricks and then how to set up certain things to make sure you get the best out of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And I hope this was helpful guys. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.